Hello everyone, welcome back to Spararia YouTube channel. And in this video, I would like to share you a tutorial on how to turn off autocorrect on the keyboard on Poco M7 Pro. Alright guys, so yeah, as we know together that autocorrection feature on the keyboard helps us to be easy to typing without any typo or without any wrong in typing. But sometimes it makes us difficult because what we want to type is not match as what the autocorrection want, so that it makes us difficult to type again and again. And to turn it off is very easy. So yeah, without any further ado, now let's get started to the tutorial. Alright, first now you can show your own keyboard like this. And to turn off the auto correction feature, now you can click on this one and then scroll down and go to settings menu of keyboard. And then after that, now you can go to input, scroll down, and you can turn off the auto correction feature. And then the keyboard will not auto correct you anymore. Alright guys, so yeah, here's the tutorial, and then thank you so much for watching. See you guys on the next video.